Tonight, the CDC says that there have been 40 million confirmed coronavirus cases now in the U.S., and that number continues to steadily rise, especially, they tell us, among children. Brooke Katz live for us in the CBSN DFW studio to pick it up from there. Brooke?
And Doug, that 40 million amounts to around 1 in 8 people. And to be clear, that is officially reported positive test results. But many experts believe the real number of infections is much larger. So in terms of vaccinations nationwide, the CDC says just over 73% of those eligible have had at least one dose of a vaccine. Just over 69% when you look at Texas specifically. Meanwhile, kids are going back to class after the holiday weekend at a time when children now make up nearly 27% of the reported weekly COVID cases. That's the new number from the American Academy of Pediatrics. We're also now getting into football season. I spoke with the chief medical officer at Baylor Scott and White All Saints. He says those crowded stands do mean more risk.
When you get people together in big crowds, even if you're outdoors, if you're in close proximity for long periods of time, you're going to increase the risk. Luckily, it is outdoors, and that gives a little bit of, decreasing the amount of concentrated virus in somebody's face with wind. But it's still, you're packing people in.
Oh, it is important to point out that severe cases are still uncommon among children, but they can get sick and they can spread the virus to more vulnerable family members. Dr. Hurd recommends getting the vaccine if you're eligible and continuing to take precautions like masking. Doug?
Brooke Katz, thank you so much.